Hello, today we are mainly going to cover the relative paths when you link a hyperlink or link some resource file. For example, this is a simple page, an init page. I put a link to link an external style sheet in the CSS folder. And if you check the page, it's very straightforward. It has header and the color is red. It's very useful to press the F2 S12 key so you can open the debug console. Here you can see what the element it is, and also you can track more to see if you click the header one. You see that's a default on the right hand side. Here is a default style the browser applied. You see user agent style sheet, and above is a style.css. So it tells you where the CSS is coming from. Here it's coming from the color right, and if you just want to do some change, for example, you want to put the border, for example, you want to put a 1 pixel solid and the color, maybe just put as green. So you have a green border. It's applied on the browser only. If you refresh it, it will disappear. It's just for your local debugging purpose. And let's see what the relative URL works. For example, currently it's in the HTML folder. It has a HTML page called emit. And inside of also on the same level, there's a folder called CSS. But what if we put a new folder like HTML, just call it HTML, and put the emit file into the HTML. I think I need to operate in the file system. Open folder. Okay, it's empty. So I put the emit into the HTML, and I refresh here. You see, this one is removed. So emit currently is underneath the HTML page, and you also want to link to the CSS. Then you need to put two dots. It's go to upper level and slash CSS. So it go to upper level. It's an uppercase HTML folder, and then go inside into the CSS and find the style sheet. If you save and you refresh here, the path also changed. It will be HTML. You can see the outcome is the same. And if you click the resource part, it will tell you the emit page is here and the CSS file is here. And in that way, in the resource part, you can see the hierarchy structure, how the HTML page and the CSS resource are located in your file system. That's pretty much everything regarding the relative paths and how to use the development tool to do the real-time debug. For example, here element, you can do some real-time edit and then see how it looks. Margin 100 pixel auto, you can see a margin. And also here, you can see how the apply boxing module looks like. What's a padding, what's a width, what's a height. Basically everything you can find in the debug console. Yeah, thank you guys. That's all for today.